Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to clock in and out on the ADP mobile app. First, find and tap the blue ADP mobile app icon on your smartphone or tablet screen. Once the app loads, you will need to enter your unique username and secure password into the provided spaces. After entering your credentials, simply tap the Sign In button, and you will be directed to your personalized employee dashboard, ready to manage your time entries. This initial step ensures your access is secure. From your ADP mobile app dashboard, locate and tap the time or punch icon to proceed. You will then see a prominent button labeled Clock In. Tap this to record your start time. The app may ask for permission to use your device's location services. Please grant this permission for accurate tracking. Ensure any required details, like your specific department or job code, are correctly selected before finalizing your clock-in. After tapping Clock In, look for a clear confirmation message, often a green checkmark or text stating, "Clocked in successfully." Your dashboard should immediately update to show your recorded clock-in time and the current status of your workday. You can usually see your total hours for the day begin to accumulate from this point. Always review your digital time card to confirm the entry matches your actual start time. When your shift concludes, navigate back to the time or punch area within the ADP mobile app. You will now see a clear Clock Out button available. Tap this to mark the end of your workday. The app might ask you to confirm your departure time or select specific end-of-shift details. Always ensure you receive a final confirmation message, signaling that your clock out has been accurately recorded.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.